Okay, this is the next part of the analytical geometry question 3, and let's just try it here. They say determine the coordinates of K, this point out here, if GL equals LK. Well, if these two lines are equal, it means that one's in the middle. L's the midpoint. So then when we add the x coordinates of the points on either side of the midpoint, divide by 2, we should get 8. And that's what I do. I build an equation. 4 plus x over 2 equals 8. And 8 plus y divided by 2 equals 0. Then you just solve the equation. You get 16, take away 4. X is 12. That's the x coordinate of k. And then you just multiply that 0. But then you take away 8. Y must be minus 8. So it's 12 and minus 8. That's the coordinates of K if L is the midpoint of those GL equals LK. Let's try the next question. Determine the equation of GK. The equation of GK. Well, that's pretty easy. All we got to do is find the gradient. Well, let's just use this one. We go 8 minus 0, change in y, over 4 minus 8, change in x. 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2. Well, that's the gradient. Well, this is one easy way to just use the gradient point formula. You put in the gradient of minus 2. You put in the point. X is 8, y is 0. And that's your answer. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. That's just y. Negative 2 times negative 8 is positive 16. There's the equation of GK. Now they want us to find the coordinates of P. We just found the equation of this line. If we could figure out the equation of the other line, JH, this big line that goes through here, we could make those equations equal each other and solve, and that would give us the answer. In fact, that's what we do. We know, we've just figured out that GH, the gradient, is 1/3. Then we take this easy point, minus 6 and 0. We put in the gradient. We put in minus 6. X minus minus 6 is x plus 6 and 0. And we get our answer. 1/3 of 6 is 2. So there's the equation of GH, the equation of GH. If we let those two equations equal each other, and then we solved it, we'd get the answer of P, where they equal each other. Well, there's the equation of JK, minus 2x plus 16. Here's the equation of JH, 1/3 x plus 2. Then all we do is multiply everything by 3. I subtracted 2 first, got 14. Multiplied it by 3, got 42. And then if I add 6x, I get 7x equals 42. Divide by 7. X is 6. X is 6. And if I put it up in here, 1/3 of 6 is 2 plus 2 makes y is 4. So the coordinates of P are x equals 6 and y equals 4. I guess I could have written it like that. Okay, so I hope that makes sense.